Brand24 is powered by AI, and our R&D team are always working on new ways to improve data analysis and make insights even more valuable. Next, let's talk about topic analysis.
This AI-driven feature groups project mentions by topics, helping you see the bigger picture. It shows how your keyword performs with specific topics and provides a detailed analysis of each. Image scanning through thousands or even hundreds of thousands of online mentions in seconds, effortlessly spotting trends, emotions, and key themes. That's the power of topic analysis. It's also useful for removing irrelevant mentions. If you notice a topic that doesn't align with your interest, you can block it. This ensures that future mentions categorized under that topic won't appear in your feed, keeping your data clean and relevant.